again.
Alright guys, welcome back to 404 Crew, and today's episode we're going to be taking apart the original motor. Fingers crossed the head's still good. If the head checks out good, we're going to put it in the block we picked up for $100. But before I get on all that, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Helps me out a lot. And if you are subscribed, make sure you hit that bell icon so you get up to date whenever you upload new videos. But yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, as you can see I got the head off, and I mean I was inspecting the head gasket and it doesn't seem like it blew, so I don't think this motor got hot. I think all that happened was the pulling the block. Not really sure what caused it, but really hoping this head is good. I mean it looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up and see how it looks after I clean it up.
Alright guys, I got the motor fully assembled now, minus the timing cover and the valve cover, sorry. But I'm gonna go ahead and just finish it up by installing the alternator and like adding any other stuff I need from that motor into this one. I really hope, crossing my fingers, that this motor's good. I know I didn't even feel much after I had the head off, but it looked like the head looked good when I looked at it after I cleaned it up. So now we are to this, and I guess the only way to find out if this is gonna, work is after we throw it in the car and try to do the first start. But cross our fingers, hopefully everything comes out good. Alright guys, I pulled out the alternator from the engine that got caught fire because I need to use the alternator. But look at this, it's all melted, like the connections. It's like all melted in. Try to focus it. Yeah, look at that, it's all melted inside. And then, I mean, it doesn't really look that good. But thankfully I have an extra one. Same exact one actually. From a previous motor I did. It was another D series motor that I swapped in. I had an old Civic before that I sold to, which I bought a new motor. So, sometimes it's really good to hold off on some stuff, because you never know when you need them the most, especially now. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this one in. Just want to share that to you guys. Alright guys, pretty much motor's done. I'm not gonna put the valve cover on until I have the motor in the car, because I want to clean it up pretty good. Pretty much got all accessories on. I'm not gonna run AC because I'm gonna have to rewire a lot of other stuff. And if I do decide alright guys, I'm about to throw the motor in the Civic now. As you can see behind me, it's on the hoist, and we're gonna try to put it in there, see how fast we do it. So throw a little time lapse. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Got the motor in there now. It took a little longer than I wanted to, but I mean, what can you do when you're by yourself? Whenever I install motors on Civics or Hondas, I start with the back motor mount, like the through bolt. That way it centers the motor out.
where it should be at, and then I do the trans mount, and then lastly the side mount. And yeah, it's not too bad, but I might go get some food with the family, and I might come back later tonight to finish up the car, which will be the next video. Pretty sure today's video is kind of short, but I mean, I got the head assembled and I put it in the car, so I mean, it's can't ask for much. But yeah, I mean, I know these Civic engine swaps aren't really that cool since it's the same D series swap like D16. But stay tuned. I mean, I'm trying to make more money, like on side jobs or car flips, because I really want to start working on that blue car right there, the Nissan Skyline. I have big plans for that. I really want to take the motor out and probably swap it with something else, or build the motor or whatever, but I need money for that, so we gotta stick to this for now so we can make more money. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're not if you are subscribed, make sure you hit that bell icon. That way you won't miss the next video. But yeah, I guess that's it. And I still have a few limited stickers, 4-4 Crew stickers. If you want them, just email me. Email will be in the description. But alright, see ya.